So far we have discussed about the 6 kinds of parts of speech. The 7th one is the conjunction. What are the conjunctions? The conjunctions are the joining words which joins the words or the group of words in a particular sentence. For example, the words which are used and, but, yet, and so on. These words are used as the conjunctions which joins the words or the group of words. For example, he likes to sing and dance. So this and is joining these two. Otherwise, you will have to write 2 separate sentences. He worked hard yet failed. So here this word and, here this word yet is used as the conjunction because these words are joining the words or the other group of words. Otherwise, you will have to write the 2 separate sentences. He worked hard, he failed. So we have joined these 2 sentences using the conjunction yet. He worked hard yet failed. So this way we can use the conjunctions. Now the 8th one is the intersection. The 8th preposition is interdiction. Sorry, 8th part of speech. The 8th part of speech is the interdiction. What are the interdictions? Interdictions are simply the words spoken suddenly to express a sudden feeling, sudden surprise, sudden happiness, fear. Then we use particular words to express such feelings. Remember, not to express any normal feeling. It is the sudden or the strong feeling that when you are strongly feeling something, but it is also sudden. So then we use the interjections. For example, oh, bravo. Alright. Such words are used as the interjection. Many more other words are there which can be used. For example, hooray, we won the match. Now, the winning of the match is not something, especially this expression will come when you just came to know that you won the match. Or even if we watch so many matches on the TV, the football match, the cricket match, then the feeling, we discuss about the things later on, but the first feeling that comes out when we came to know that the batsman has to hit a 6 on the last ball of the game to win the match. Or if the batsman is not able to hit the 6, if he could not, he will lose the match. And he did it. The batsman hit a 6. So the sudden feeling that comes to you, that happiness, that strong feeling, that is represented with the help of interjection. So interjection are the spoken words which express the strong and the sudden feelings. So mainly these are the 8 parts of speech. Now one is remaining, that is determiner. Now we will discuss about that. What are the determiners? The determiner is a word which comes before a noun or pronoun, like we have in case of preposition. But what is the difference? The word which comes before a noun and pronoun and limits the meaning of the noun or pronoun, or it shows which person or thing is being referred to. The person or thing which being referred to, or when it limits the meaning of the noun or pronoun, then such word is known as the determiners. And these words can also be from some other category of the part of speech. For example, he is the tallest boy. So the used here is the determiner. What can be the words which can be used as determiner? The, a, and, some, any, please give me some rice. It is used before the noun. Some is the determiner which is used before the noun, and it is limiting that how much rice do you require. So it is limiting the noun, or it is limiting the meaning of noun, that how much rice is required by the person. So in this way these determiners can be used, and not only in case of determiners but in some other cases also. Remember, a word does not belong to a particular part of speech in general. It depends on the use of the word in the sentence, that to which part of speech it can be categorized. For example, so far we have discussed about all the part of speech, the 8 part of speeches and the determiners. Now, how we will identify about the particular part of speech? Please give me a glass of water. This is a sentence. The next sentence, the gardener is watering the plants. Water. The word water is used in both of these sentences. But in the first sentence, the water is noun. The word water in the first sentence is used as a noun, whereas in case of the second sentence, the word water is used as a verb. So, the use of a particular word in the sentence will determine to which part of speech it belongs. We will always write the part of speech according to the use of that word in the sentence, and not in general, that if we talk about the word. Sometimes in general, okay, if someone is asking you that the word is go, tell me the part of the speech, then it is verb. but it's not like always as in case of water. So whenever it comes into a sentence, please read the sentence carefully and then write about the part of speech. So we have revised the part of speech. Now let's do an exercise so that you have more clarity about these part of speech. The exercise that is given in your book, the exercise 2, which is given on page number 7. In this exercise, it says what part of speech are the words in bold. Some sentences are given and the words are written in bold, and you have to tell about the part of speech of the bold. Here I will write the word and I'll underline the particular word. And here also I'll take some examples where the same word is used, but depending on the sense in which, depending on the meaning in which it is used in the sentence, the part of speech will change. For example, the first sentence here given, the phone is ringing, and the underlined word is phone. So what part of speech it is? It is noun. Very clear? It is the name of a thing. So it is a noun. The next example, today is Friday. Today is Friday. And in this sentence, we have to tell that what part of speech is today. So here today is the adverb. Why? Is the form of be. Remember, we discussed about the verb. So today is telling about something, this present day, which is a state. So that is why it is the adverb. The next example, the cook is ill. And in this sentence, we have to tell the part of speech of the word cook. Now, usually the word cook is considered as the verb. But here, the cook also means the one who cooks the food. We call that person also as cook or the chef. So the cook is ill. So here the word cook is used as the noun. Let's take one more. I usually cook at weekends. Here also the word cook. Now in this case, the word cook is a verb. In this case, the verb cook is the word. Here it is representing an action. The next example, I will come home. Sorry, I will come back. Yes, I will come back in 5 minutes. And the word is back. In this case, this word back is providing some information about the verb come, that I will come back in 5 minutes. So that is why here this is adverb. In this case, it is the adverb. The next sentence, have you closed the back door? Here again, back. Now, in this sentence, the verb back is an adjective. Why? Because it is providing some more information about the noun which is used with this word. Door is the noun. If it is simply that have you closed the door? Which door? The back door. So it is giving some more information. It is modifying the noun. That is why here in this sentence the word back is adjective. So in this way you can understand that a particular word can belong to different part of speech depending on its use in the sentence. So I hope now all of you must be clear about the different part of speech, that how to use the part of speech in a sentence, or you will be able to classify the different words of a sentence into the different parts of speech.